This is an early 50s Chevy pickup truck. Not sure of the year, but there was a little change year by year in these trucks. Beautiful black paint, wide white walls, hubcaps, wheel trim rings. I like the wooden trim around the top of the bed, and also the wooden bed of the truck. Beautiful. Interior looks great. We've got all the gauges there. Manual transmission. Very nice upholstery. And there you see the pedal on the far right, I believe, is the starter. So you'd have your foot on the accelerator and the starter at the same time. Taken off. Very serviceable truck. This is when trucks were meant for business. Simple bumpers. Has dual tail lights. Gas filler cap on the passenger side. Of course, it would have a 6-cylinder overhead valve engine. And a fair amount of chrome on that dash. Very nicely restored truck.